Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're actually testing out our new suspension out on pretty much the outskirts of Glasshouse Mountains. We've got a couple cars with us. We've got Sam in an MP300, we've got Ryan in his Dmax, and we've got Ruben up in the back in his old school Navara. So basically today we've got the 33s back on my old wheels. I did actually sell the Trep, so we're just doing a little mission, just testing out the flexiness, and yeah, we're just gonna have fun, see what happens. I don't know yet. Don't know what we're doing, where we're going.
No panel damage, that would be low.
Oh, I should have got a 14 inch shock to give it a bit of gusto, right?
Yeah, poke it.
It's my back tyre on the ground. There's my front wheel. Hitting the flex rock. Oh, is that thing stock, Ryan? What? Is that thing stock?
This?
Yeah.
Yes, mate. Straight from the dealership. Flex Life, competition of Rome Life.
Well, Sam's isn't too bad.
Not too bad.
Well, I'm going to have to go up the middle, aren't I?
Yeah. Flex out here, mate, I reckon. Yeah. I think it'll be
Yeah,
right.
mate, I'll just get up this boy.
Yeah.
Probably put my wheel on top of that one.
Be careful, don't tip it.
What's that look like?
Good shit, keep going.
My car.
Go find something bigger.
Ryan's coming up a little section here, and obviously he's open diff, but he does have a locker on the way. Where's he going? All the way over this way. We're gonna cross these tracks here. Yeah, so open diff for Ryan makes it very difficult for him, but you know, he puts in all he can, gives it a red hot crack. I believe in you, Ryan.
I don't.
You got 200 horses. That's it, faster. Wait, that was pretty good, Ryan.
Oh yeah, it's sick, eh?
It actually looked pretty sick. Picking up trash out of the bush, are you?
Yeah, wouldn't want to leave that out here for a stranger find.
Good man. Send it, Sam.
I don't know front recovery.
What do you reckon, Alicia?
Do it. Done.
Do it, Sam.
I'll see how deep it is and then...
No, just do it.
Nah,
See how deep it is with your car.
Your whole diff's stuck.
My diff's stuck.
Is that what it is? Yeah.
This is not a Dmax pulling out of control. It's not what it looks like.
Are you sure about that, mate?
Yep. I just use nature's handbrake. Cut the camera off.
You right?
No. Oh, that was deep.
So this mud pit here is seriously deep, if you couldn't tell, and he's going to give it another crack.
I think I did worse the second time around.
No power. He's almost out. Wait, that was actually not bad, eh? That's a pretty good effort. When I seen him push that stick in, I thought no way in hell anyone's getting through that. Nice work, mate. What happened, mate? Thought you weren't coming out here if there was mud.
Oh yeah, there's no mud out here.
They're the new bronze fuels, are they?
Yeah, we've just done a partnership with Fuel and Max's tyres. This is their bronze edition.
We've done a rack in, mate.
Another rack in for
Another rack
Ryan.
in.
He's bent like a banana, that one. And he's blaming me. It does look like it needs a wheel on it. Dead straight. Bit cooked. Bit cooked, Ryan.
It's your fault.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I didn't buy the Dmax.
It's your fault.
That looks great.
Yeah, it's told me like in a video. This is what Dmaxes are shit. Patrols,
Perfect.
patrols are the world.
Oi! That's fresh paint, mate.
Go Ryan! Oh.
Dude, they are proper weak, eh? I just feel like I'm on right-click follow on RuneScape right now. Gonna be much longer, Ryan. All back together, eh?
All back together.
Straight as you now.
Yep. It's a tough bent.
So unfortunately, obviously Ryan just bent his steering arm, but we managed to straighten it. So obviously we can't keep driving hard tracks because it's just got a little kink in it, and you never leave a brother behind, so we're gonna take the chicken tracks out of here. But yeah, on our way out. Sometimes these things just happen, and that's just the way it is. Bloody Dmax. Alright, so obviously we just got a baby Ryan up all these tracks, so we're just taking it real slow. He's mincing it, and I don't think that arm's going to bend, but obviously caution is something we want to take seriously, mate.